The way we handle our finances plays a significant role in our ability to reach financial freedom. In this video, I'll walk you through some common money habits that could be keeping you poor and share practical tips, including numbers, on how to break free from them. So make sure to stick around until the end, not to miss out on any ideas that may help you to improve your finances. So let's get started. And meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Number one mistake is not paying yourself first. This is an important concept that can transform your financial life. But what does it mean to pay yourself first? Essentially, it means treating your savings and investments as non-negotiable expenses, just like paying your rent or buying groceries. Let's break it down with an example. Suppose you earn $3,000 per month after taxes. Instead of waiting until the end of the month to see what's left to save, you decide to pay yourself first. And let's be honest, most of the time, if we wait for the end of the month, there is nothing left to save. So you set the goal of saving 20% of your income, which amounts to $600 each month. Before you use your money for things you don't really need, you save some of it to make sure your future finances are secure. This way you begin growing your wealth. Here is what you can do to make this process consistent and develop a habit of saving. Automate your savings. You set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a dedicated savings account on the day you receive your paycheck. The $600 is your top priority, just like your rent or utility bills. So you set up an automatic transfer for each month. Set clear goals. Your financial goals need to be specific, actionable, and achievable. That's the only way to make things happen. For example, if your financial goal is to build an emergency fund of $10,000 before you can start investing your money, by saving $600 per month, you can achieve this goal in approximately 17 months. Start small, increase over time. If at first saving $600 feel like a stretch, so you begin with $400 per month. As you get used to this habit and find ways to cut unnecessary expenses, you gradually increase your savings rate to $600 and beyond. Create separate accounts. To make sure you don't use your emergency savings for things that aren't emergencies, you create a special account just for emergencies. This separation helps you maintain focus on your goal. Reevaluate regularly. As you make progress towards your emergency fund goal, you regularly need to review your financial situation. If your income increases, you might consider increasing your savings rate or allocating funds to other financial goals like retirement or investing. Just make sure not to increase your spending as your income grows. Stay focused on your goals. By adopting this habit of paying yourself first, you are taking a proactive step towards financial freedom and ensuring your hard-earned money works for you. Another common money habit that can keep you poor is living beyond your means. It's easy to fall into the trap of spending more than you earn. When each time we swipe our credit card, we don't really fully feel how much money we are spending on eating out, clothing, on random products. And especially when you own several credit cards, it's hard to keep track of your expenses. But this habit can lead to a never-ending cycle of credit card debt, paying high interest on it, which leads to stress and financial difficulties. Here is what you can do about it. Create a budget. Start by tracking your expenses and creating a monthly budget. Each time when you manually input your expenses into a spreadsheet, you actually feel that expense. This will help you see where your money is going and make necessary adjustments. Live below your means. Make an effort to spend less than you earn. Cut back on unnecessary expenses and prioritize saving and investing. You'll enjoy great rewards afterwards. As I mentioned earlier, even if your income increases, try not to increase your expenses to match your income. Try to maintain your current lifestyle and focus on saving and investing more. Have an emergency fund. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. This can help you prevent getting into debt in case of unexpected expenses because of job loss, car repairs, and etc. Living below your means is about making conscious choices to prioritize saving, investing, and paving your path to financial freedom. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but making intentional decisions that align with your long-term financial goals. And lastly, another money habit that can be keeping you poor is not investing your money. Many people put off investing for the future, thinking they'll do it later when they have more money. But time is a valuable asset when it comes to building wealth, and investing even a small amount consistently will result in growth over time thanks to the power of compound interest. Here is what you can do. Read and learn about investing. There are great books that teach you investing in a simple language, so you don't need a degree in finance to understand how investing works. You can simply educate yourself by reading and researching. Invest wisely. Educate yourself about different investment options such as stocks, index funds, and real estate. By educating yourself, you can invest in low-risk index funds and diversify your investments to reduce risk. Check out my video about investing in index funds. I will link it in the description below. Seek a professional advice. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to create a customized financial plan. And finally, invest for the future. After fully funding your emergency fund and paying off your high interest debt, you can start investing. Let's say you decide to invest an extra $1,000 per month in a diversified portfolio with an average annual return of 7%. Over time, this can grow substantially. In 10 years, your investment account could be worth over $175,000 thanks to the power of compounding. Remember, even small changes in our spending habits can make a huge impact on the present and future financial well-being. If you found these tips helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on personal finance tips. And as always, feel free to comment and share your thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks for watching!